About 20 years ago, I realized that I needed to have some work done on my teeth. Up until that point, it seemed like that everything seemed to be going along fine. My teeth had good color, and then all of a sudden they started turning yellow, and I had a baby tooth that had never matured. I had to have it capped, and I had a lot of bridges. I was very self-conscious about smiling and eating. Now and again, I would have a break off of my teeth or a bridge. After I had photos with my cousins, whom all have shiny, beautiful teeth and grins and smiles that are warm, and I realized I was the only one that had not given a big, warm smile to the camera. So I went to the dentist, and he started explaining to me what I really had to have done. I had a lot of x-rays, and they were going to possibly implant a tooth here because I didn't have support teeth to put another bridge in, and they would have to replace them. So I started doing research on the internet, and I realized that there was only one place that I really was interested in coming, and that was to Florida Dental Implants. I was very excited. I felt like I had found what I was looking for. Well, I liked the fact that you could go in that morning and leave that afternoon with teeth. So that was a real selling point for me. From the moment I met Dr. Kirkpatrick, I was very impressed with him. I thought, what a young gentleman. Once we looked at my scans, he explained everything in detail and let me know exactly what the procedure would be. He explained that I had healthy bone and that they would be able to implant the posts, and he said it appears that we will be able to implant more than we normally are able to put in a mouth. And he says, that's very good, Joy. And it was encouraging to me. And when I came in the morning of surgery, they were so professional, put me at ease right away. I woke up from the surgery, and they were monitoring me, and then they brought my husband in, and that was something I really enjoyed, being able to have my husband there. I ate yogurt. I brought some yogurt. I ate yogurt right away, and then they took me into another room, much like a little dental office with a dental chair, and they put my new teeth in, and I was absolutely shocked when I saw them. It was an awe moment for me because it was exactly what I wanted. I was amazed. I took 2 pain pills and realized the next morning I did not need the pain pills. I had ibuprofen and Tylenol, and I was fine. After my surgery that afternoon, on my way home, I kept looking in the mirror on the visor, and I thought, I've just got to share this with my children and grandchildren and friends. On my iPhone, I just took the pictures of my teeth and a great big smile, and I started texting to my children, my grandchildren, and some other relatives. My family, in fact, is very happy for me. They feel pleased. They knew how embarrassed I had been. So I can't wait until my cousins come down again, and I will have the biggest smile in that group photo.
It's time to invest in you and begin living a lifetime of smiles. Call today for our special pricing or visit newteethnow.com.